Well, good morning. I got a nice compilation here from Southern Railway's trap yard from yesterday afternoon, on April 28th. It's between 3 to 3:30 p.m. I took some random pictures besides making a video, and I then compiled a bunch of pictures from other miscellaneous Toronto's Go Transit as well, mixed in here in this compilation with other pictures of some railway and model scale, HO scale from Weathers, and some other model railroad too as well. So yeah, definitely it's nice. So nice compilation here. So and some transits like SkyTrain news and public transit too from the buses or some other thing like that. Anyway, West Coast Transit and SkyTrain and stuff like that, all mixed in here too as well. And the old BC Rail caboose color scheme, it was interesting info.